Come on students, come in a straight line. Stand here. Take 1 arm distance. Now, shorter on my left, taller on my right. Assemble fast. Class, attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Palak, come here and take charge. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I am student teacher of BPEd second semester. Tanish Bhabyar will be demonstrating a lesson plan on hurdle race. In my class, there are total number of 4 students where no one is absent and no one is sick or injured. So please grant me permission to start my lesson plan.
Yes, you can start your lesson plan.
Thank you, ma'am. Palak, go back to your position. Class, take 1 arm distance again. Class, stand at ease. Attention, stand at ease. In today's class, we will be doing the hurdle race. As you can see, there are the obstacles placed here. In the hurdle race, you have to run and jump through these obstacles. Alright? And also, this race will help you to know your dominant leg. Like which leg you are comfortable in jumping. Okay? Last, roll call.
1, 2, 4.
Okay. Now, before doing the hurdle race, we will do some warm up. Get ready for warm up now. Widen up your legs. Also, put your hands like this and bend and do alternate toe touches. Very good. Now back to the position. Now you have to do this thing with your legs. This will improve you through your jumping. Do it. Relax. Now take your left leg up and bring close to your chest. Put it down. Bring the right leg. Bring close to your chest. Stretch. Good. And now put your one leg, right leg front and stretch in front of you. Straight. With the left leg, straight, stretch. Good. Now we will do the main part, that is the hurdle race. Okay? Observe me very. Observe me. Okay? Class, command for me, demonstration for you. You have to go back. Run. Like this you have to cross the hurdle. Okay? With a single leg. Either it is your left or your right leg. Okay? Class, command for you, demonstration for me. On my whistle command, you have to start the hurdle race. Okay? Go. Yes, very good. Carefully. Very good. Assemble again. Yes. Do it properly. No problem. Next. Assemble. Make the line there. Now class, have you understood how to do the hurdle race? As you all have seen that how Manasvi got stuck and got into contact with the obstacles. So in hurdle race, this will be considered as a foul. Okay? So in future you have to keep this in mind. Okay? Otherwise all were good. Class, assemble again. Take 1 arm distance. Tension. Kennedys. Tension. Kennedys. Now we will be performing the recreation activity. As you can see here the obstacles. This will be considered as the hurdles. This will improve your hurdle techniques which I have taught you in the main part. And I will be demonstrating you how you have to do this whole activity. Here you can see the obstacles. Over there the rope. You have to go under this rope and then jumps through these stairs Stand there, pick the ball from the basket, and again basket the ball here in the tag. This is your recreational activity. Let me demonstrate you first, then after I will be telling you how to do it. Jump over this, go around there, jump, stand here, take the ball, concentrate, and then basket. Like this. Understand? Now perform the task as fast as you can. On my command, start the game. Go. Very good. Go down. Jump. Both the legs. Very good. Stay there. Pick the ball. And yes. Try to basket. No problem. Back. Pick the ball from here and see you don't cross the line. Very good. Try to basket, no problem. Next. Try to do with your same leg. You are doing with the left, with the right. Now pick the ball. Very good. Now assemble here. Make a single line once again. Take one arm distance. Class, attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Palak, come here and take charge. Stand here. Good morning, ma'am. I have completed my lesson plan on hurdle race, and during the lesson plan, no one got injured. And also they have enjoyed the session. They got to know which is their dominant leg, and they have also performed various recreational activities after the main part. So please grant me permission to dismiss the class.
I grant you permission to dismiss the class.
Thank you, ma'am. Palak, go back to your position now. Now take one arm distance. Class, attention. Ladies, attention. I hope you all have enjoyed the session today. I hope no one is not injured during the session.